Hello children, welcome to Saraswati Shishukunj Bhagwala Borsad. Today I am giving you the session of English Standard 3rd. And what is the chapter name? Yes, our chapter name is He is My Brother. Okay, now today you will learn this story with colorful pictures. I know you are so much excited, right? Are you excited? Yes, because you like colorful pictures and whatever ma'am is giving you explanation, that also you are listening carefully, right? So you are learning this story with the pictures very fast. If you are coming in the school, so definitely we will play drama. But right now we have to do like this way. So you will get interest and you will learn the story very easily. See, you can see this picture. There is a girl, and at the girl shoulder, you can see at the back of the girl there is a small boy. Yes, and page number 91, you can open your textbook also together. So simultaneously you can see in your textbook as well in your mobile. So you will see the story very clearly. So you can see that girl is there, one boy and one old man. Now what will be there in the story? And the main story is on brother. He is my brother. So who is speaking this? He is my brother. This girl. Okay. Now let's see the story. Once upon a time, there was a small hill. Once upon a time, what happened? You can see the picture. There is a small hill, green hill. Okay, not big mountain, but small hill. A path went up the hill. You can see the path. Path means road. You can see the way to go upside. Okay, went up the hill. You can see the path means the way. On this way, if you will walk, you will went up to the hill. So what is there on the hill? Let's see. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. When the path is, you can see, when the path is, you can see, so you can see some pine trees, some fir trees on the way of the tree path. Okay, so all the trees means pine trees and fir trees are available on the path of the hill. Okay, whenever you are moving on the hill, people often walked on it to a holy place. Now from this path, from this road, from this way, where the people are going? Yes, people are going to a holy place. Holy means like temple, masjid, church. Okay, that thing, that places are called holy place. Okay, now next, see. One day, when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. Now you can see the sun shone high in the sky. You can see the sun in this picture, and many people also you can see. So many people seen climbing up the hill. Not only that girl, other people are also climbing up the hill. You can see in this picture. See, they were climbing slowly and carefully. When we are going up somewhere, so we are always become slow and careful. Why? Because if we will not be going slowly or carefully, maybe we can fall down, right? So we have to climb hill or mountain slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. So many people were climbing the hill, right? And this girl is also climbing the hill with them. And what is the name of this girl? Yes, her name was Meena. Okay, this girl's name was Meena. You can see that's the small boy, right? And sun also you can see. You can see the hill way, path also, tree also, right? Okay. Meena was 12 years old. How many years? Only 12 years. Not very big girl. She is also very small, means only 12 years old. Around 6 or maybe in 6th or 7th. She carried a small boy on her back. You can see in the picture she carried a small boy on her back. You can see, right? He was 4 years old. So what is the age of this small boy? Yes, 4 years old. Meena was 12 years old and this boy was 4 years old. His hair was curly. Whose hair? Not Meena. His means we are talking about boy. So the boy's hair was curly, means rolling curly, not straight. His eyes were black and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. In the morning, sometimes whenever you are seeing on some leaves, you will find some water on it. Okay, outside also sometimes you are seeing some small drops of the water, right? That is called dew, and that dew is looking so fresh, morning dew. It's looking so fresh, like that way. This boy's face is also like morning dew, means fresh. This boy's face was not with the water, but his face was fresh like morning dew. Okay. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Now what happened? The sun is already rose, right? And now sunshine dance means sun is not dancing, but now the sunshine become very bright because the time is up, not morning. But Meena is not sitting anywhere. She climbed the hill slowly and steadily, means continuously. Right? She didn't stop anywhere, she didn't sit anywhere, only she walked and she climbed slowly and steadily, continuously. Meena was happy. She was not thinking that this boy is on my shoulder, back, and I am tired and let me sit and the sunshine is coming. Now I am tired. It's so hot. No, she was not thinking like that way. She was very happy. The boy was also happy. See, you can see in the picture Meena is also happy, talking with her boy. Okay, and the boy is also very happy. See, she catch Meena so kindly, right? So lovingly. Okay. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. Now, so many people were climbing on that hill, right? So, you can see in this picture there is an old man and he was looking to Meena. So, he is also in the group and he was also climbing the hill. So, he saw the Meena. Now, why he felt sorry for her? Because he is thinking that girl is also very small because she is only 12 years old. So the old man is thinking that this girl is already very small and why she took this boy on her back. It is load, means she will feel the heavy weight. Why she is taking this boy on her back? My child, now the old man is saying, my child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Now the old man is asking to Meena, my child, why you are carrying this boy on your back? Why? This is the small boy, but he can walk. So why you are taking him on your back? Don't you feel his load? Means you are not feeling his weight. You are carrying him, so you are not feeling his load, heavy weight. Meena looked at him in wonder. Now Meena, when the old man is speaking like this way, so Meena will definitely see in wonder because she is shocked that why this man is telling to me. He don't know that the boy, who is this boy and why I am taking him on my back? She could not understand him. She is thinking that why she is asking me this thing. If he don't know anything, so and he is unknown person. He is also coming up on the hill for the holy place. So why he asked to me? Now Meena is giving the correct answer. Load means heavy weight? Of course not. Means I am not thinking that this is the load or heavy weight for me. He is my brother. He is my brother. Now you can understand what is a close combination and tuning between brother and sister. Right? She is not thinking that this is load, this is weight, this is heavy weight. No, of course not. Means this is my brother. He is my brother. So I am not feeling that he is giving me load or weight. I am very happy to carry him because he is too small, and if he will climb hill, so he will be tired. And he is small. Still he is 8 years old only. I don't want that my brother will walk. So I am taking my bag or taking this my brother on my back. And we are talking and going very easily, slowly. And he is my brother, so I am not feeling his weight. Now the old man understood that Meena loves her brother very much. And that's why she don't want that his brother should walk on the hill. Understood, children? So like that way you also be with your brother and sister. If your brother and sister are bigger than you or smaller than you, so never harm them. Always love them. Because whenever you will be young, on that time whenever you will require any person in any situation in your life, who will be there with you? Only your brother or your sister. Other persons, your friends, your relatives, neighbors, they will come. But first who will help you? Your brother and sister. Whatever you want to tell to your brother or sister, you can tell, you can ask them, and they will be always there for you. Okay, children? So like that way you also be like Meena and his brother, and be always there with your brother and sister, and always try to understand what is their problem, and try, if you able to solve this, if you will try to means any solution, if you will try to give any solution to them, it will be very helpful. Okay, so always be there for your brother and sister. And this is very simple story, right? So in this story, what will happen? Whenever today you will get new words, okay? Some words in your worksheet. So you will write those words in your notebook. If you want to write 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, it is up to you. But speak the spellings and complete all the spellings. Now you will repeat all the spellings with me. Now first of all speak. Lovely, lovely. Holy, holy. Climbing, climbing. Carried, carried. TWELVE, 12. MORNING, morning. CURLY, curly. DEW, dew. SUNSHINE, sunshine. DANCED, danced. SLOWLY, slowly. STEADILY, steadily. LOOKED, looked. GROUP, group. SORRY, sorry. CHILD, child. CARRYING, caring. WONDER, wonder. UNDERSTAND, understand. LOAD, load. OFCOURSE, of course. Okay children, these all are words you have to write in your notebook. In our next video, in our next offline video, we will write question answers and word meanings. Okay, now learn these all carefully, all the spellings, and if you can't understand the story, see it once again in your textbook or this video, so you will understand whole story. And this is very simple and very fantastic story of brother and sister. Okay children, now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.